Next we will move ahead. Here we are making a cup which is having a toothbrush and toothpaste in it. As you can see, first we are making the toothpaste and then we are making the toothbrush, and now you can color it as per your choice, and it's ready. Next, first we are using this stencil to make the proper shape of this pot, and then we are putting some cactus in it, and then we are detailing it with little more patterns as you can see. Next we are gonna move ahead. Here we are making a house. Starting with the structure of the house, we will move towards the door and the windows, and beside the house we are gonna make a tree. Then we are gonna make the wooden fence all over the house, and then we're gonna make this cute sun with a cute face. After that we are gonna make a cloud and a little more detailing. Let's move ahead here by taking some crayon shavings. We are making a red circle, and then we are detailing it with black marker and making it into a cute ladybug. Just detail the design and it is ready. You can make more detailings if you want.